Hello, I'm Kyle Brash from Chaparral Motorsports, and welcome to the introduction and unboxing of this New Ray Toys Kawasaki KX450F. Now, New Ray Toys does a great job at giving you super finite detail when it comes to these die-cast models. Now, this is die-cast and plastic. It is a 1/12 scale, so this is 1/12 the size of the actual machine. Let's go ahead and get in here and unbox this guy so we can get a closer look. Now, this New Ray Toy is going to come complete with a motorcycle stand that easily detaches just by sliding it forward and out. So, motorcycle stand, you can take a look at this bike. Lots of detail on this guy. You got the Kickstarter, you've got the exhaust heat shield, all of the casting on the motor is there. The graphics are nice and clean. The front suspension does not function, but the wheel does work and the handlebars do turn. In the rear, we do have functioning suspension, but the chain and sprocket do not move when you do spin the wheel. Looking over the other side of the vehicle here, you can see all the detail here in the engine, the frame, the foot pegs. New Ray Toys does a great job providing us super detailed models of the vehicles that we love and enjoy. Now, if you're in the neighborhood, you can always swing by Chaparral Motorsports because we have the full line of power sports vehicles from New Ray Toys in stock and ready for pickup. Or you can order online and we typically ship the next day. But New Ray Toys does way more than just power sport vehicles. They do all kinds of different aspects of life. They do farming, ranching, they do big long haul trucking. Aviation is another big one they do. So take a look in the description of this video for a link to our detailed breakdown of who New Ray Toys is and what they have to offer. If you like what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want more action like this to come directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.